In senior infants, baby Layla comes to visit. We got to ask her mommy lots of questions about caring for nearby. In second class, they are learning about China. They created stories using Book Creator on the iPads. They have been learning about famous landmarks of the Great Wall of China. They have also been making willow pattern plates in art. Junior infants have been learning all about African animals this month. They have really enjoyed doing lots of art on this theme.
Mrs. Fagan class have been getting logged into the Chromebooks and third class have been helping them to get going. Fifth class had a draw for the European project. They have started a novel under the pattern tree.
The Alpine class were reading the story of the 3 little pigs. They loved the story and enjoyed all the artwork too. Sing Out Loud project will begin next week with Lane performing in the TNT